Hannah is going to show us the Ello wall bottle.
Yep, this is called the Riley. It's packed with features. So let's just start at the top. It has a lid or a carry handle that pops up and then also pop down when you're not using it. It has a one touch, one hand open and close. As you can see, it's really easy to open and close. The spout is silicone, and it also has anti-microbials baked into the silicone. So it's not gonna, get people sick or harbor any mold or bacteria. But it also has a locking feature on the side, and if you slide it over, you can see it does not open once that is locked. But it's also really great because the lid removes, so you can put that in the dishwasher, but also the base of the tumbler also removes for easy cleaning, easy ice, and you're good to go here. This one is called the Riley, 24-piece minimum.
It's $25. And what colors does it come in?
It comes in white, black, also stainless, that has a red lid, a blue lid, or a gray lid.